Ever thought about incorporating grapeseed oil into your skincare or hair care routine? This seemingly humble ingredient has a rich history in cosmetics, cherished for its potent components. Packed with antioxidants, grapeseed oil works wonders on your skin, protecting it from harmful free radicals. It's also a champion moisturizer, providing hydration to keep your skin youthful and radiant. But how does grapeseed oil affect your hair's health? Let's dive in. Did you know that grapeseed oil can significantly improve your hair's health and promote growth? This miraculous oil is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and linoleic acid, all of which contribute to a healthy scalp and vibrant locks. It's a fantastic conditioner, giving your hair a silky sheen without the greasiness. Hair masks with grapeseed oil can deeply nourish your strands, and applying it to your ends can prevent split ends. Now that we've seen how beneficial it is for hair, let's see how to use it in our daily beauty routine. Applying grapeseed oil in your daily beauty routine can be easier than you think. For skin, start by cleansing, then gently massage a few drops of oil onto your face for a moisturizing effect. The oil's antioxidants may help in fighting the signs of aging, so don't skip this step in your routine. For hair, grapeseed oil can be used as a conditioner. Apply it after shampooing, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse. You can also create a nourishing hair mask by mixing the oil with your favorite natural ingredients and applying it to your hair. Lastly, apply a few drops to the ends of your hair to prevent split ends and keep your hair looking healthy and shiny. The oil also has special applications. It can be used as a lip moisturizer, a nail hardener, and even as a soothing massage oil. So it's a multi-purpose beauty product. Before you rush off to buy your bottle of grapeseed oil, here's what you need to know. When buying grapeseed oil, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, quality is key. Opt for cold-pressed, unrefined oil. This ensures maximum potency of the beneficial compounds. Second, packaging matters. Dark glass bottles protect the oil from light, which can degrade its quality. Also, check the label for the country of origin. Oils produced in Italy, Spain, and France are often of high quality. Now, let's talk storage. To maintain its effectiveness, grapeseed oil should be stored in a cool, dark place, away from heat and light. Don't worry if the oil becomes cloudy in cooler temperatures. This doesn't affect its quality. Just bring it to room temperature before use. Remember, proper storage can extend the shelf life of your grapeseed oil to up to a year. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of grapeseed oil and elevate your beauty routine? Let's quickly recap the magic of grapeseed oil. Its antioxidant properties benefit skin health and prevent aging, while promoting hair growth. Incorporated into your beauty routine, it works wonders. Choose wisely and store correctly for maximum effect. Remember, the secret to beauty lies in nature, and grapeseed oil is one of its best-kept secrets.